We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive overview of Interesting Facts for Curious Minds, 1572, random but mind-blowing facts about history, science, pop culture, and everything in between, by Jordan Moore, narrated by Robin LaRose and published by Red Panda Press. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. This book stands out as a meticulously curated collection of trivia, aiming to entertain and educate readers of all ages. The author, Jordan Moore, positions the book as an odyssey through a vast array of topics promising to deliver 1,572 factoids that span history, science, pop culture, sports, strange hobbies, meteorology, and even the oddities of war. The introduction sets the tone for a journey that is both lighthearted and intellectually stimulating, with the stated goal of providing readers with material to impress friends and family at gatherings, or simply to satisfy their own curiosity. One of the most praised aspects of the book is its organization. Facts are grouped into categories, making the content easy to navigate. Each entry is concise, allowing readers to absorb information quickly and efficiently. The inclusion of checkboxes next to each fact is a thoughtful touch, enabling readers to track their progress and revisit favorite sections at their own pace. This design choice enhances usability, making the book suitable for both casual browsing and more structured trivia sessions. Many reviewers highlight the book's suitability for passing time, whether at home, while traveling, or during brief moments of leisure. The breadth of topics covered is impressive. Sections include themes such as the quirks of human behavior, the evolution of marriage, the origins of cryptocurrency, odd medical prescriptions throughout history, and a variety of pop culture references. Readers also encounter facts about musical instruments, beauty standards, pets, strange inventions, martial arts, politics, urban myths, weapons, crime, space, and more. This diversity ensures that there is something for everyone, regardless of their specific interests. The book is described as a perfect reference for trivia games, making it a valuable addition to any household or social gathering. In terms of educational value, the book strikes a balance between entertainment and instruction. While the facts are presented in a digestible format, they often serve as gateways to deeper exploration. Several reviewers note that the book sparks curiosity, encouraging readers, especially younger audiences, to investigate topics further. This ability to inspire learning is considered a rare and valuable trait in the crowded trivia genre. However, the book is not without its criticisms. Some readers find the content to be somewhat lightweight, particularly those accustomed to more in-depth or scholarly works. The sheer number of topics, while impressive, can lead to a sense of superficiality, with some sections lacking the depth that more focused trivia books might offer. The flow between chapters and within certain categories can feel disjointed at times, as the order of facts does not always follow a logical progression. For readers seeking a more cohesive narrative or thematic continuity, this may detract from the overall experience. Another point of contention is the book's suitability for younger readers. While marketed in some places as appropriate for children, several reviewers caution that certain topics such as references to necrophilia or unusual historical practices may not be suitable for all ages. Parents and educators are advised to review the content before sharing it with younger audiences. Despite these caveats, the book is widely regarded as an excellent choice for inquisitive teens and adults who appreciate quirky, offbeat knowledge. The writing style is accessible and engaging, with a tone that is both friendly and authoritative. Jordan Moore's approach is to present each fact without unnecessary embellishment, allowing the information to speak for itself. This straightforward delivery is well suited for readers who prefer to absorb facts quickly, without wading through lengthy explanations or tangential anecdotes. The narration by Robin LaRose is also noted for its clarity and pacing, making the audiobook version a viable alternative for those who prefer listening to reading. Durability and presentation are important considerations for any physical book, and this volume receives high marks in both areas. The softcover edition is described as sturdy and well-constructed, with clear print and a layout that facilitates easy reading. The compact size makes it portable, allowing readers to take it on the go or keep it handy for spontaneous trivia sessions. The visual design, including the use of checkboxes and thematic dividers, adds to the overall appeal and usability. One reviewer, a self-described voracious reader with decades of experience, praises the book for its ability to keep them engaged and turning pages. The variety of topics and the novelty of many facts contribute to a sense of discovery, making each reading session fresh and enjoyable. Another reviewer highlights the book's value as a gift, particularly for those who already seem to have everything or possess a deep well of general knowledge. The book is seen as an ideal present for trivia enthusiasts, knowledge seekers, and anyone who enjoys learning for its own sake. Despite its strengths, the book's lightness may not appeal to everyone. Readers looking for complex analysis or thought-provoking commentary may find the content lacking in depth. The primary focus is on delivering a high volume of interesting facts rather than exploring each topic in detail. This approach is both a strength and a limitation, depending on the reader's expectations. The book's role as a conversation starter and social tool is another frequently mentioned benefit. Whether used to break the ice at parties, challenge friends during game nights, or simply to entertain oneself during quiet moments, the book excels at providing fodder for discussion and amusement. Its versatility extends to educational settings, where teachers and parents can use it to spark curiosity and encourage independent research among students. In summary, Interesting Facts for Curious Minds is a well-executed trivia book that delivers exactly what it promises: a vast collection of mind-blowing facts across a wide range of subjects. Its strengths lie in its organization, accessibility, and ability to entertain and educate simultaneously. The book is particularly well-suited for trivia fans, curious learners, and those seeking a light yet informative read. While it may not satisfy readers in search of deep analysis or thematic cohesion, it excels as a source of quick, engaging knowledge and as a tool for social interaction and self-improvement. For those considering a purchase, it is important to note the book's intended audience and content. While suitable for most adults and older teens, some topics may not be appropriate for younger children. The book's greatest appeal lies in its ability to surprise and delight, making it a worthwhile addition to any personal library, coffee table, or classroom. If you enjoy collecting unusual facts, playing trivia games, or simply expanding your general knowledge, this book is likely to meet your needs. In conclusion, Interesting Facts for Curious Minds stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of trivia and the joy of learning something new every day. Its user-friendly design, diverse content, and engaging presentation make it a standout in its category. If you have already experienced this book, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others decide. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.